I can't do it. Can you do it, Sammy?
Is that okay?
No, I haven't.
Up dog. Up dog. Other hand. Other hand.
Other hand.
Other paw. Stop eating. Say sup dog.
Shake my hand.
Say
Sup
sup
dog. Sup dog. Sup. Yeah. So he's shaking the dog's hand.
Miriam, you shake it.
You shake it, Maria.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Okay, come on, let's get some noodles first.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh. Oh, I should leave my bag here or bring it? Leave it, bring it. Should I leave it or
Could you
latest dog? Oh, okay. No, not.
Because you won't want to walk back, will you?